Welcome at the HTML5 course, and this is about characters. My name is Dion Dresjes. We are going to talk about first about breaks, and then about horizontal rules, and finally about the special characters. First thing is the breaks. If I want to type in text in HTML, you can break a line in HTML by using the BR tag. It's in here. Then there's no closing tag, it's just a tag. Sometimes you see BR space slash and then the greater than sign. This is basically the XHTML way to do it. Don't use it anymore, you can just use this. And you can use the break as many times as you want. Okay, let's go to the template. I'm going to save this one as characters, file, save as characters.html. Yeah, just replace it. And there we can see in HTML you have to give a break if you want the next page to show up on another line. Save, and now I'm going to open this one. Well, of course, open this one. In HTML, you have to give a break if you want the next page to show up on another line. In the text, I give an enter here, but there's no break in HTML. After break, it just continues. So if I want to break the text, I have to type in the tag BR, and now it will break. File, save, refresh, and yes, now it's breaking. What I also can do is use the XHTML style of breaking like this. Save, and it should break now as the same as before. And yes, it's working. And you can use as many breaks as you want. And I can do it like this, file, save, refresh, and now there's many breaks. Next, about horizontal rules. I can make a horizontal line with HR, horizontal rule. Again, there's no closing tag. And there's no such thing as a vertical rule. I'm sorry, there is none. We're going to see how it's going to look. Let's go to our text, and let's say in here I want to have a horizontal rule. It should be somewhere in here. I can just type in horizontal rule and save it. Go to the browser, refresh, and there is my horizontal rule. It's that easy. Next, about the characters. Try to display the less than and the greater than sign in a browser. You have to use ASCII codes for special characters like the less than and greater than sign. And also if you're going to use accents as well. So characters with accent on it, or with a on a C with a city, it's French. There are a lot of different types of fonts. So if we want to display them, we have to use the ASCII codes. I can use the ASCII code, and some of the codes characters have an HTML name, and some have all of them have an HTML number. For instance, I want to display the less than sign. I can display it with ampersand. LT stands for less than, and then the semicolon. So this will display the less than sign. I can also use the HTML number, then it was ampersand #60 semicolon. Next one is the greater than sign, ampersand GT. I can also use the number as well. And the space, it's ampersand's non-breaking space. And the copyright is ampersand copy semicolon. Let's do that in a lab. So going to enter it. Well, let's say in HTML you can break the line with break. Well, just think, if I'm going to use this one, how will it look like? Save, refresh, and in HTML you can break the line with where is the, well, of course it's interpreting this one as an HTML tag. So I have to change this one into ampersand less than semicolon and greater than sign to ampersand greater than semicolon. Save, and now it should display if I'm correct. And yes, I'm correct. So I can use those signs as well. We also have, let's give a break now. A real break. We also can use the non-breaking space. Well, let's do it like that. In HTML, will it display all those spaces? Save. Let's go to check. Refresh. No, here should be a lot of space. There's none. I can do it with ampersand non-breaking space. Copy it, and I want to have some more spaces in between it. Save. Refresh, and now I have some space in here. Some spaces. The last one I'm going to show you is the copy right sign, and it's just real simple copy. I could say in education.org we don't have copyright. We don't. We have Creative Commons. Save, refresh. Oh, that's not good. Save, go to the browser, H5, and in education we don't have copyright, so I can use those special characters. There are many more characters, and way too much to show them all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the browser, I'm going to the a web page called ascii.code.com. This is the website, and it's not the official website of ASCII, but it's just a website that displays. I have some information on it. So let's say the less than sign. Where was it? Yeah, here's the less than sign. It's number 60, less than, or open angle bracket. Oh, that's a new name for the less than sign. Open angle bracket. What I can see more is the ampersand. Oh, the F. That's it. Florijn, a Dutch old coin. The OE, yeah, Latin small. There are many. Oh, the A with a ring above. Yeah, the Danish love those. And all of those characters, you can just pick whatever you want. What's nice as well is this one is all the symbols as well that you can display in HTML. So I would basically say, have some fun with it. So what did we do in this lesson? We saw the breaks, line breaking in HTML with the BR tag. Then the HR tag, a horizontal rule, a line. And at the end we saw that we can display many special characters in HTML. And they're really a lot. This was Dion Dresjes for Education.org, and I want to thank you for staying smart.